Overwhelmed? Transform stress into strength now. Stress invades our lives silently, draining energy and inner peace relentlessly. Unmanaged pressure transforms daily challenges into overwhelming burdens and burnout with severity. Recognizing stress triggers offers the first step towards reclaiming control each day. A simple stress diary reveals hidden patterns and emotional reactions clearly. Every moment filled with stress becomes a chance to learn resilience truly. Deep breathing calms nerves, restores balance, and quiets racing thoughts instantly, naturally. Mindfulness anchors us, connecting body, mind, and present reality with purpose. Regular exercise releases endorphins that uplift mood and reduce tension for vitality. A balanced diet fuels the body while stabilizing mood and energy optimally. Quality sleep restores our spirit and repairs tired, stressed minds seamlessly tonight. Supportive relationships offer comfort during life's most challenging moments with empathy. Using time management, we break tasks into manageable, stress-free steps each day. Short breaks during work refresh our minds and spark creative energy instantly. Mindful practices and gratitude cultivate inner strength and daily joy steadily. Discover relaxation techniques like meditation and gentle yoga for calm every day. Hydration with alkaline water boosts energy and supports detox naturally for balance. Self-care empowers us to shrink stress and nurture vibrant well-being daily. Observing early warning signs prevents burnout and fosters proactive healing with resolve. Embrace practical strategies to transform chaos into calm every day and thrive. Reclaim your time by setting clear boundaries and priorities with conviction. A mindful life is built on consistency, balance, and self-respect every moment. Take control, seek help, and celebrate every small victory right now.